Welcome back to my Hampi vlog series number 7 or the episode number 7. Today I am ready to explore the three temple, that is the Lakshmi Narasimha temple, Badavilinga temple and the Krishna Bajar and the Krishna temple. These are the closely related sites within the Hampi. Before reaching my destination sites or temple site, let's discuss some of the important and mysterious history of Hampi ruins or Hampi history. Number 1. What is the secret of Hampi? The royal enclosure of Hampi hides a secret passage with steps leading to an underground chamber. As we venture to the southern side of Hampi's Hemkuta Hill, we will encounter the striking Lakshmi Narasimha temple. And Hampi is renowned for being a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the state of Karnataka. This is the largest statue in Hampi. Narasimha is sitting on the coil of giant seven-headed snake called Sesha. The head of the snake acts as the hood above his head. The god sits in a cross-legged yoga position with a belt supporting the knees. Sometimes this is referred as Ugra Narasimha, that is the Narasimha in its terrifying form. Narasimha means half man, half lion in local the languages. In one of the 10 incarnations that mean avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lakshmi Narasimha temple. Narasimha statue. The huge monolithic sculpture of Lakshmi Narasimha is one of the most outstanding works of sculpture art of Vijayanagara. The statue stands to a height of 6.70 meter. The original statue contained the image of goddess Lakshmi, consort of the god, sitting on his lap. But this statue has been damaged seriously during the raid leading to the fall of Vijayanagara. And next to the Lakshmi Narasimha statue, there is a linga, that is the largest Shiva linga image in Hampi. The statue, the linga, is housed inside a chamber with an opening in the front. The sanctum in which the linga is installed is always filled with water, as a water channel is made to flow through it. A close look on this icon can reveal three eyes depicting the three eyes of Shiva carved on it. थोड़ा सा नारियल पानी भैया, नारियल हो अंकल, नारियल अभी नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा नारियल पानी पीना जरूरी है. ऑलरेडी घर में सभी है तो कुछ लेने का नहीं है. ये है नंदी जी का है. ये कितने का है? ये कितने का है? हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा. ये वाला वो कितना है? 40. आप भी पियो. पी लो पी लो पी लीजिए. अभी जा रहे हैं हम लोग कृष्णा टेम्पल पे. कृष्णा टेम्पल. Krishna Temple and Krishna Bajar are two closely related sites within the Hampi ruins, representing the grand Vijayanagara Empire's religious and commercial life. Krishna Temple, built in 1513. Temple इस तरफ कृष्णा बाजार एंड पुष्करणी. मुझे यही पुष्करणी पे जाना है. इस तरफ
गोल्ड बाजार.
कौन सा?
गोल्ड बाजार. गोल्ड.
Yes, this is the Krishna Bajar. Is one of the recently excavated sites in Hampi.
शेयर कटले आगर पड़े.
मतलब क्या? Share. Take a stroll through the excavated site to see the long rows of pavilions that once were a bustling market. Krishna Bajar Hampi is located just opposite the Krishna Temple, and it was once a bustling center of trade like the larger Virupaksha Bajar, with several shops lining both sides of the street. Today it's a deserted area. It is also said that Krishna Bajar was a major market for grains and tax was collected on the sales every week. And the nearby Krishna temple is an old shrine dedicated to Lord Krishna. It is a remarkable structure with unique architecture built by the Vijayanagara king Krishna Deva Raya. During special festival, the idol of Lord Krishna used to be placed in chariot and taken in procession through the Krishna Bajar. This is one of the must-see sites in Hampi. The carvings are especially spectacular with the Eris, that is the mythical lion, on the pillars, and the entrance to the temple exhibits beautifully sculptured apsaras standing on mythical animals and holding scrolls filled with panels showing different interactions of Lord Vishnu. This temple was built by the king Krishnadeva in 1513 AD to celebrate the conquest of the eastern kingdom of Udaygiri or Utkala, and it is the present day Odisha state. The main idol installed in the temple was the figure of Balakrishna, that is the Lord Krishna as infant. This idol is now displayed in the State Museum at Chennai. A huge slab installed inside the courtyard of the temple states the story of this temple and the conquest of Utkala, that is Odisha. Many small shrine and pillared halls adorn the campus. The temple kitchen is located at the southeast of the main shrine. The main tower at the east is an impressive sight with numerous carvings on it. Now the tower is under restoration work. You can see the carvings of the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu in this temple. This is one of the few temples where the epic story is carved on the wall of the tower. This is fairly an intact specimen of Vijayanagara era temple. This temple was built in Panchayathana style with two enclosures. Built in the center of the complex, the main shrine has a sanctum, Mahamandapa, Ardha Mandapa, a pillared pavilion, a Devi shrine, and many sub-shrines. The main sanctum is plundered by the invading Muslim forces of Deccan Sultanate.
Hear my words, oh gods, this one's for you. Shiva, Vishnu, Lakshmi,
कृष्णा टेम्पल का पोर्शन अभी इधर है शशि वेकलु गणेशा सनसेट भी हो रहा है इस साइड. Another visiting place is Hemkuta Hills. And Sasiv Kalu Ganesha temple is a monument on the Hemkuta Hills. It is likely among the oldest structures. The mandapa follows the square principle of Hindu temple. The Ganesha features a mustard seed-like round belly and is shown to be seated in the lap of Parvati. It is said that this statue is carved out of a single block of rocks. চলো উপর সানসেট হয়ে গেছে আর কিছু দেখার নেই জাস্ট একটুখানি বাকি আছে সেটুকু তোলার চেষ্টা করছি উপর থেকে সিটিটা তো দেখা যাবে ऊपर আছে ऊपर है सनराइज एंड सनसेट पॉइंट beyond its spiritual grandeur as well as artistic excellence, the Hemkuta Hill Temple Complex presents a canvas for photography enthusiasts. It is an apt spot to capture the awe-inspiring views from its lofty heights, immortalizing the spiritual glory on film. Hemputa meaning golden hillock. Hill is vastly stretched zone with a cluster of temples and ruins, and it's one of the most charming tourist spots in Hampi. सनसेट और बाकी नहीं, बट पूरा ruins दिख रहे हैं। The hill is dotted by structures like mandapas, galleries, and gateways of various sizes. These temples are amongst the oldest temples in the town, and some of them belong to the pre-Vijayanagara period. While most temples are dedicated to Lord Shiva, they are commonly referred to as Jain temples because of their architecture. The largest and most elaborate temples are located on the northern slope of the hill that faces Virupaksha temple in Hampi. Now it's time to return back to my nest, that is the homestay in Hampi, and this is the famous and the great Virupaksha temple on the way to my home, and this is the famous Virupaksha market in front of the Virupaksha temple. Till then, stay tuned with my channel and my vlog, and do like, comments and share this vlog or my channel to your friends, family, and if you enjoyed the video or learn anything, leave a like. If you didn't enjoy the video or didn't learn anything, leave a dislike and do comments why you didn't like this video, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. और मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ रात के खाने के लिए, लेकर आऊँगी पैकिंग खाने के लिए, और सब दुकान में। मेरा रूम तो नज़दीक है, एकदम नज़दीक है, और ये है दुकान वगैरह, खाना देखते हैं। ओके, ये वाला है ना भैया, ये है तो ये है मेरा रोटी, प्लेन रोटी, एंड ये मशरूम एंड वो क्या बोलते हैं, एग। बहुत अच्छा बना है रे भाई। ये बहुत ज़्यादा है एक लोगों के लिए, और बहुत तीखा। मैं यही चाह रही थी तीखा वाला कुछ। बहुत अच्छा बना है भाई। Thank you everyone for watching my vlog, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye.